Well, we climbed part way up, or shall we say, Claudio climbed part way up, and Claudio's not sure how he's gonna make it down now because it's always easier to go up and much harder to go back down. The deep truths that you get on this channel. Woo! Welcome to our Road Trippers Day. What we're going to be doing, we have decided to do every month, we're going to try. We're going to use an app called Road Trippers, or sometimes we're going to use a different app called Roadside America.
Right.
And what we're going to do is we're going to just start driving somewhere, and these apps, they point out different places that they're kind of off the beaten path, or somewhat kind of like the B list type of places, and we're gonna stop and check it out. So
But we just got stuck in all of this. We call it cabbage. I don't know what it's actually called. All right, I'm gonna hang up now so we can paddle together and get out of here.
And now we're doing a quick hike. It's about 2 miles. It's really quick. The entrance fee for the Lake Griffin State Park was about $5 for 2 people, and the kayaking was about $25 for a 2-hour tandem kayak. So we are going back to the main area. And in order to get there, we have to go through a path that is completely covered with mud and therefore filled with mosquitoes everywhere. So I'm not gonna stop that long, but I just want to show you it looks really pristine and it looks really jungly. This part is really nice. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what I'm talking about. On this park, we were told there is a very ancient oak. It is 300 to 500 years old. It is the second largest oak tree in the state of Florida.
got off the river, and it was nice. Very calm, not too many people. We saw
couple of alligators.
tipping over, 3 small gators and a bunch of birds. But in all honesty, there's noise from traffic as you get out. You can only go about a mile before you run into
A river,
civilization.
bridge.
Yeah, civilization.
There's a house.
There's also a lot of cabbage, right?
Yes.
The river cabbage makes it impossible
Yes.
to paddle. And so yeah, nice.
The water is not what you would expect after some of the shots that you have seen from us at Silver Springs or Alexander Springs or
Right.
it's not that water. It's actually dark. It's a lake. It's what you would expect to be a lake, except with gators.
So have some kids, you want to come and do something different for a little bit,
Yeah.
that's fine, but for a special trip, I don't think so.
No, I would spend a couple of hours in this park, I would say.
Yeah.
So, and this concludes our Road Trippers / Roadside America day.